Sports Office.
Sa atong Mayor, Vice Mayor, and Council in attendance, mag-award dito karon sa paugnat sa kusog din. Magpasalamat ko daan sa mga department heads, team coordinators, at mga players na nag-participate. Hindi man gani perfecto ang kwan, pero naman gila. Mamaliyog lang ko sa mga team coordinator, coaches, and players, mga naog budaan, kikabalo mo madawat mo sa trophy. Okay. Sa basketball men, third runner-up, si GSO. Panawag ko sa daw budaan. Mas po, third runner-up. Asan GSO? Department heads, second, CAD. Pwede ka po magawat ang department head ini. Third runner-up, City Mayor's Office. First runner-up, City Mayor's Office. Champion, Accounting Office. Okay. Accounting. Volleyball men, third runner-up, CMO. Second runner-up, CSWD. Third runner-up, ICWS. The champion, CEO. Second runner-up, CEO. First runner-up, CMO. Badminton Lakes. Third runner-up, City Accounting Office. Second runner-up, second runner-up, CEO. First runner-up, ICWS. And the champion, CMO. Congratulations. Christopher Omilario. Single Edmo. Highest team double Semo.